Hi everyone. So next monorepo tool we are going to talk about is Nx. Nx is powerful, feature rich. It has everything you can say. So it is efficiently managing multiple projects, whether a front end, back end libraries in a single repository. It provides a smart caching, code sharing, and task scheduling. All those features we will see in the real examples, how Nx is different from Lerna or any other monorepo tool. Why should we use Nx Monorepo? Because it has a performance of optimization, scalability, task running. Because we used to run these build, lint, prettier, uh, test, end-to-end test, all these different npm script tasks. So it helps us to parallelly execute them. It even cache those execution results that makes the NX faster. It also provide a dependency graph where you have dependencies of sub packages into one another. It out of the box, it supports all these different Express, Next.js projects. And whenever you initialize a repository with Nx monorepo, it structure the folders like this: apps, all the applications; libs, all the shared library. It has Nx.json and a workspace JSON. These are the two files it additionally creates, right? So contains all the full-fledged application, library, reusable libraries. Nx.json, it defines caching and the build strategies. Workspace JSON manages the project script and all. So overall, if we try to compare it with the other solutions which we have done, Lerna, code generation, Lerna doesn't do; caching, no; task runner, kind of yes; dependency graph, Lerna doesn't do; parallel execution, yes. So you can see, if you compare Nx with the Lerna, you can see the clear winner is Nx. It does caching, code generation, dependency graph, built-in support for these applications. Like you can spin up React, Angular, Nest.js applications using Nx Monorepo. Let's dive in and try to understand Nx more. And after Nx, we will also take a look on Turborepo. And Nx, we are going to talk in depth with the real world examples like React App, Nest.js, Express, all these one microservice, front end, back end, shared libraries, and all those things. So these are the three monorepo tools which we are covering.